Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my YouTube playlist organizer extension that I've built. It basically allows you to create folders and organize your YouTube playlists, something YouTube doesn't allow you to do. So as you can see, this is the YouTube playlist page and I've got a bunch of different playlists, a variety of them. So as you can see, I have Java playlists, Python playlists, design playlists, and AI playlists, and much more. It just gets messy sometimes. I just want to keep it organized all in under one folder or, multiple different folders. By the way, no sign up required, no nothing. You just install the extension and it works right out of the box. So, we'll go to the playlist. I'm going to turn on the extension. And as you can see, I have a bunch of different folders that I've created. But when you start it, you'll only have playlists here and you have to create your own folders and you have to put your playlist into those folders, as you can see right there. So as you can see, I do have my Java playlist, I have my Python playlist, I have essentially all the playlists that I showed you before. So yeah, my design playlist as well. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually create a new folder and how you can add a playlist into that folder. So let's go and create a new folder. We'll call it test. And as you can see, we also have an option for adding an icon. So we click the icon list and it'll take us to a new web page. Here you can search up whatever icon you want. So as you can see, we have a test tube and we'll click on copy component name. And now we can go back and paste that name into here. And as you can see, once I've clicked create, it creates a folder with the test tube icon. Now it is empty because we haven't added anything into it. So let's go ahead and search up a playlist. So we'll do songs playlist 2024. And I'll just choose the first one that I see. We'll just add this into the library. So now we just click playlist, we go back. It'll take a second to load, but there you go. There you have it. Now you can just put it in test. And as you can see, it is there. So I'm going to move it back to the base folder and I'll show you how you can delete them. I did this to separate them, but here you go. I delete the folder, and to delete the playlist, we have to open it in a new tab, or you can just open it. And on the top right, you'll see that there is a remove playlist from library. Now that we've done that, we'll go back into our playlist page and just refresh it. So, it takes all the new data and everything. And as you can see, it's gone. So the next thing that I wanted to show you was the pop-up that I've created as well, that comes along with this playlist. So here is the pop-up. So there's an option, very important option that we have. It's called auto sync, which basically allows you to automatically sync all the new playlists that you add, or if you delete playlists, instead of clicking this button to sync folders. And it'll be turned off by default. So please just turn it on once you install the extension. It also has some other options coming in soon, like changing the color of the folders. So I just want to appreciate you guys and thank you very much for watching this video, and feel free to send any feedback so I can better my extension. Thank you.